Parenthood is where all love begins and ends, and Bollywood actress Preity Zinta knows it all too well. She welcomed her twins Jai and Gia with her husband Gene Goodenough in 2021 via surrogacy. Only recently we got to know that surrogacy wasn't her first choice. In a candid conversation with Vogue India, she talked about her personal struggles with IVF, in vitro fertilization, before she and her husband decided to go for surrogacy. The actor shared that she sometimes felt like banging her head on the wall and cried during that most difficult phase. Her statement leaves us with many questions. But first, what is IVF? IVF, in vitro fertilization, is a process of fertilization in which an egg is combined with sperm outside the body in vitro, a glass. During the process, mature eggs are collected from ovaries and fertilized by sperm in a lab. An IVF cycle typically takes around 6 to 8 weeks. The process includes an initial consultation, ovarian stimulation that lasts 8 to 14 days, egg retrieval, fertilization, embryo transfer, and a pregnancy test. The embryo transfer and pregnancy test are typically performed 5 days after fertilization. The chances of having a healthy baby using IVF depend on various factors including age and the cause of infertility. But is it risky or not? Let's understand from an expert.
Well, IVF is not a risky procedure because it's generally done under good control, but any procedure comes with its risks. One of the major risks with IVF is hyperstimulation. That is where too many eggs end up growing. But now there are protocols which do ensure that there is no hyperstimulation, and even if hyperstimulation does occur, it can be controlled very well, and all it requires is maybe an extra day of admission where we just give you saline rather than anything else. Besides that, anesthesia related complications would be applicable to all patients, and that's not just for the IVF procedure, but that's for any other procedure. So per se, IVF is a relatively safe procedure which does give you good results as well.
Moreover, research says failed IVF process is associated with increased anxiety, depression, stress, and can impact self-esteem and confidence. Fertility drugs can also cause sleep disturbances and disrupt sex drive. For more such informative health videos, subscribe to Shosha.